discover the wild, amazing animal fun facts. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? Yes, 3, beating to the rhythm of the ocean. In the animal kingdom, laughter isn't just for humans. Rats giggle when they're tickled, a sound of joy. Ever seen a group of flamingos? They're called a flamboyants, living up to their vibrant, showy name. Remember to subscribe and like for more animal facts. Cows have best friends and get stressed when separated. It's a bond that showcases emotions beyond humans. The animal world is full of surprises, each creature with its own unique tale. Let's keep exploring together.